Today we will be talking about debits and credits. What debits and credits are not. They're not good or bad, not increases or decreases, and definitely not more income or less income. What does debit mean? It means we're on the left side of the T account. It doesn't necessarily mean that we are increasing or decreasing because it depends on what account we are working on. The same goes for credit. It just means we are working on the right side of the T account. Whether it increases or decreases, again, depends on what account we are working on. A good way to remember is by the acronym DEALER. Anything with D, E, and A increases with a debit and decreases with a credit. That includes dividends, expenses, and assets. It is important to recognize that we don't typically credit dividends and expenses very often. That's an account we usually just debit and add to. The other side of this would be the LER of dealer, which means liabilities, owner's equity, and revenues. These are all regular credit accounts, meaning they increase with a credit and decrease with a debit. This is one of the most important things you can learn and remember early on. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts and information presented in these videos will be true no matter what accounting class you are taking. However, the concepts presented in this video are referencing material currently covered in Baylor University's coursework. Remember, if you are a currently enrolled Baylor student, we offer free tutoring services. Our tutoring center is located on the first floor of the Sid Richardson building. You will find all the details you need to know about these services on our website, www.baylor.edu/tutoring. You may schedule a free 30-minute one-on-one tutoring session online, or just drop in during any of our open business hours. For more information about our current services, please visit our website. Thank you.